Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear friends. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I hope you are doing well, inshallah. Welcome to the class in online learning school. I'm here with a new topic. Man haza mean who is this? Man mean who and haza mean this is, as you know. So, man haza, who is this? In next lecture, we will discuss about zalika, mean that is it used for things that not near or close to you. For example, what is that? Ma zalika. Okay, now come to the class. Let me give you some example about man haza, who is this. Okay, man haza, who is this? Haza tabibun, this is a doctor. Man haza, who is this? Haza waladun, this is a boy. Man haza, who is this? Haza talibun, this is a student. Ahaza waladun, is this a boy? La haza rajulun, no, this is a man. Man haza, who is this? Haza tajirun, this is a merchant. Man haza, who is this? Haza mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Ma haza, what is this? Haza himarun, this is a donkey. Ahaza himarun, is this a donkey? La, no. Haza hisanun, this is a horse. Wa ma haza, and what is this? Haza jamalun, this is a camel. Okay, so man is used for humans, and for other things we will use ma. What is this and who is this? Okay, ma haza wa man haza. Okay, I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for attending the class. Please stay with us for learning Arabic language. Best of luck. See you in next class. Thank you.